Yeah. Good afternoon. Welcome to Manik IAS. We'll discuss number system today. Number conversion, that is of computer, right? Computer subject is computer. And topic is number system, right? Just 1 second. So there are 4 types of number system. First is your binary, having a base of 0 and 1. Then octal, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then decimal number system, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. Next is hexadecimal number system. What is hexadecimal? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 15, right? Hexadecimal base is 16. Here base is 16. Here base is 8. Here base is 10. Here base is 8. Here base is 2. Right? Binary system base is 2. Octal system base is 8. Decimal system base is 10. Hexadecimal system base is 16. Right? So these are the 4 types of number system. We will study the conversion, right? Many times in OPSC they ask about conversion from one type of number system to other type of number system, right? For example, one by one we will discuss. So I am erasing it. In number system, see, always you try to first you will consider the decimal system, right? That is conversion from decimal to binary. Here we will study conversion from decimal to binary, then decimal to octal, right? Then decimal to hexadecimal. Next we will study binary to decimal, then octal to decimal, and hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. Why you are taking everywhere this decimal as reference? It's one type of reference point, right? Here decimal, everything. Initially we trying to, we will decide, we will convert from decimal to binary. We will convert, then from decimal to octal, then decimal to hexadecimal, then binary to decimal, octal to decimal, then hexadecimal to decimal. Why we are doing it? Because it is easy. All other forms are complicated, and by these 6 types of your conversion methods you can convert any type to any type of number system to any type of number system. That is from hexadecimal to, for example, I will ask how to convert from hexadecimal to octal, right? I am not mentioning here what is octadecimal, hexadecimal to octal. First we will convert hexadecimal to decimal, then decimal to octal, right? These two methods will be used. Okay, we will discuss that after discussing these 6 types of conversion initially. So first we will go one by one, that is decimal to binary, right? Decimal to binary. Decimal to binary system. Right? What is decimal to binary? One by one we will take the example and we will solve it. Right? For example, consider 9, the decimal number. Right? 9. Then divide 9 by 2. As we are converting into binary, then the question will be like this. Decimal 9 is equal to what is in binary system? Right? This is the question. What is in binary system? Base is 2. Then what we will do? 9, here it will be 2. Then it is 4 into 8. Remainder will be 1. 4 into 2 equal to 8. So remainder will be 1. Then 2 into 2 equal to 4. So remainder will be 0. Then 1 into 2 equal to 2. Remember will be 0. And after that you will consider like this. So 9 decimal is equal to, you will take the remainder in the last digit, that is 1 0 0 1 2. From this direction to this direction, 1 0 0 1 will be the binary number of decimal number 10, decimal number 9. Right? Similarly, this is by decimal to binary conversion. Right? 4 into 9, here it is remainder 1. Then 2 into 4 remainder 0. 1 into 2 2, that is remainder, here it is 0. So the number will be 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0 1 from downward direction. Right? For example, similarly, if we consider 8, then 8 will be 4 into 2, that will be 0, then 2, that will be 0, then 2, that will be 0. So it will be 8 best decimal in 8 in decimal system will be 1 0 0 0 will be in binary system. So this is the conversion from decimal to binary system. Then if you consider another number like, for example, 19, let us consider 19. Decimal to binary, we are converting decimal to binary system, right? So for example, consider another digit, for example 7. What will be 7? 2 into 3 into 2, here the remainder will be 1, 2, then here remainder will be 1. So 7 decimal is equal to 111 binary. Right? Okay. Next system is decimal to octal conversion. Here I am erasing it. Decimal to octal. Decimal to octal conversion. For example, take the example 19. 1910 is equal to how much in 8? This is the question. So 1910, here we have to convert to the base 8. So what we have to do? 19 divided by 8. So this is 3, right? So 19, 10 equal to 2, 3, 8. This is the octal conversion, right? If you consider 19 in decimal, then what will be in binary? Then what will be the answer? How to do it? 19, 2, and it's 9. Here will be 1, then 2, 5. Here will, so this will be 4. 1, then 2 into 2, 0, 1, then 2 into 1, that will be 0. So it will be 1, 0, 00, 1, 2 equal to 19 decimal. Right? In binary it is 10011, but in octal this is 2123. Right? This is a decimal to octal conversion. Decimal to octal conversion. Any number like that you can take it. I am erasing another. We will take another example. Decimal vector. Decimal to octal. For example, 80. 18 decimal, what will be in octal? 88, this is 10. Then 8, this will be 1. Here will be 2, here will be 0. So 80, 10 equal to 120 in 8. This is decimal to octal. Right? Next we will see decimal to hexadecimal. Next conversion will be from decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. How to convert decimal to hexadecimal? Here base will be divide that is decimal number by 16, right? So for example, convert the decimal number 229, for example, 229. What will be 229 in, if you consider 229 in decimal, then what will be in hexadecimal? Right? This is the question. So for to convert hexadecimal, here we will divide by 16. So equal to 14. Right? 14 and remainder will be 5. The remainder will be 5. Divide it, then you will know, because 6 into 4, 24. Yes, remainder will be 5. So this implies 229 base 10 is equal to 14.5. Initially I have said in case of hexadecimal, the number system is like this. Hexadecimal number system is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like this. So, and from 10 will be considered as A, 11 will be considered as B, 12 will be considered as C, 13 will be considered as D, 14 will be considered as E. Right? And 14 is considered as E. Here we can write 2 to 9, 10 is equal to, instead of this 14, you will write E, E5, E5, 16. This is the answer, right? So for hexadecimal, you will divide by 16. For octal, you will divide by 8, and for binary, you will divide by 2. So this is the third type of number system we are discussing. First we discussed decimal to binary, then decimal to octal, then decimal to hexadecimal. right? So in case of hexadecimal, you have to divide by 16. In case of octal, you have to divide by 8. In case of binary, you have to divide by 2. The next type of number system we will see. Okay, I am erasing it. Next type of one is from binary to decimal. How to convert from binary to decimal? Binary to decimal system. How to convert binary to decimal? Suppose 1000. It is in binary. What will be in decimal? Right? What will be in decimal system? Then 1, 2 is equal to 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power square plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 to the power 1, sorry, 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Here this is 4 digits, 1 0 0 0. This is 1 0 0 0, and there are total 4 digits. So 4 minus 1, so in that is 2 to that is 4 minus 1, that is 3 2 1 0. 3 to 1 0. Remember, if there is 4 digits, then it will 2 to the power, it will start from 2 to the power cube. If there is 3 digits, then it will start from 2 to the power square, right? So answer will be 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 8. This is binary from, and this is binary to decimal. Okay. If there is a previous question also where we have discussed in case of your 8, we converted 9 into 1001. So let us take the example 1001, right? It is in to convert into decimal. So what will be in the decimal form? Earlier we have converted this the same example. So we are taking here 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this will be 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, because 2 to the power 0 equal to 1, 1 into 1 equal to 1. So answer will be 9. At that in last question, when we were discussing converting decimal to binary, we have taken the example of 9. Sorry. We have taken the example of 9. That's why now we are converting the same, that is from binary to decimal. So in both cases we got the right answer. Next type of conversion is from octal to decimal, right? How to convert octal to decimal? I am erasing it. Octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion. For example, the same example 1000. This is in 1000 in octal, what will be in decimal? The same procedure also, that is 1 into 8 to the power 3. Instead of 2, here will be 8. 8 to the power 3 plus 0 into 8 to the power square 2, that is plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 plus 0 into 8 to the power 0. So this is 8 to the power q will be, it will be 512. Remember, this is 512, 1864 into 8, right? So 8 into 4, 32, then 3, then 48, 8 into 6, 48, that is 5.2. Plus 0, plus 0, plus 0, that answer will be 512. So this is the conversion from octal to decimal, right? If you convert something like 1001, this is in octal, then what will be in decimal? So this will be 1 into 8 to the power cube plus 0 into 8 to the power square plus 0 into 8 to the power 1 plus 1 into 8 to the power 0. So that is equal to 5.2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So answer will be 5.3. So this will be answer will be 5.3, base will be 10. So conversion from octal to decimal, right? Octal to decimal conversion. We have taken two examples. One is 100 and second is 1001. Okay. Next type of conversion is from hexadecimal to decimal. Conversion is from hexadecimal to decimal. Conversion from hexadecimal to decimal. Same 1016, then what will be in the decimal? Same procedure, 1 into 16 to the power cube plus 0 into 16 to the power square plus 0 into 16 to the power 0, sorry, it will 1 plus 0 into 16 to the power 0. So answer here will be 16 into 16, it will be 16, let me calculate. 4096, it is 4096. 16 into 16 into 16 is 4096 plus this is 0 plus this is 0 plus this is 0. So answer will be 4096. So 1000 hexadecimal is equal to 4096 in decimal format. So this is the conversion from hexadecimal to decimal, right? If any type of you want to convert, right? For example, we will convert hexadecimal to binary. Let's convert one. I am erasing it. If question is convert hexadecimal to binary, then what you have to do? Then first convert hexadecimal to decimal. Then convert decimal to binary, right? For example, 1000 is there, 1000 hexadecimal. So what will be in binary system? If this is question, first we have to convert hexadecimal to decimal. So 1016 is equal to 1 into 16 to the power cube plus 0 into 16 to the power square plus 0 into 16 to the power 1 plus 0 into 16 to the power 0. Then it will be, what will the answer? So 16 by Q we have discussed this is 4096. 4096 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that will be 4096. This will be in decimal form, right? And now we have to convert it in binary. So 4096, it's in decimal form. So how to convert decimal to binary we have already studied, right? That is dividing by 2, decimal format, and what will be in binary format. So this will be like this: 4096 divided by 2. Here we have to take it up. I mean, one more page, I am erasing it. 4096, we have to convert 4096 into binary, because hexadecimal number 1000 will be 4096 in decimal. So same number we can convert to binary, right? 4096, we have to convert 4096 to binary. 4096 to binary. What will be 4096 to binary? 4096 by 2, that will be 2048, 1024. Here it will be 0, here it will be 0, here it will be 512, that will be remainder will be 0, here it will be 2, then 256, here it will be 0, then 2, then it is 125 and 128, here it remainder will be 0 as well, then 2, that will be 64, that will be 0, then 32, that will be 16, there will be 0 as well, dividing 16, that will be 8, remainder will be 0, dividing 8, that will be 4, remainder will be 0, dividing 4, that will be 2, remainder will be 0, dividing 1, the remainder will be 0. So you have to take like this. So 4096, it is in, suppose it is in hexadecimal. If you are converting into binary, sorry, it is not 4096, this is initially we have taken this in decimal form. This was in decimal form. Right? Initially we have taken the example of 1000 in hexadecimal. So 1000 in hexadecimal. Suppose we are converting 1000 in hexadecimal is equal to 4096 in decimal is equal to, in binary it will be, right? What will be in binary? In binary it will be 1, then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 zeros in total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. So this is, yes, 0, 0, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in total 14 0 into 2. So this is the binary format. So 1000 in hexadecimal will be this much in binary format, right? That here conversion from hexadecimal to binary. First we converted hexadecimal to decimal, then we converted hexadecimal to, then we converted decimal to binary. So finally we got hexadecimal to binary. Then hexadecimal to octal, if we consider, what will be hexadecimal to octal. We are erasing it. Then hexadecimal to octal. How to do it? First hexadecimal to decimal, then decimal to octal. This is the format, right? Suppose in case of hexadecimal we have taken 1000. 1000 in hexadecimal equal to how much in octal? This is the question. So first convert into decimal, right? First convert hexadecimal into decimal. 1000 into hexadecimal is into decimal. First we convert, right? 10, that is equal to 1 into 16 to the power cube plus 0 into 16 to the power square plus 0 into 16 to the power 1 plus 0 into 16 to the power 0. So that will be, we have already know, 4096. This is hexadecimal that converted into decimal format, right? Now we go to decimal format. Now from decimal we will convert. So this will be in the decimal format. Now decimal format. Now from decimal we will convert octal, right? So 4096 decimal is equal to how much in octal? So then we have to divide it again. 4096 divided by 8. 4096 divided by 8. How much it will be? 5.2. 5.2, right? If we divide it by 8, then what will happen? This is 54. Divide by 8, it will be 8. Here remainder will be 0. Here remainder will be 0. Here remainder will also be 0. So this will be equal to 8000 to the power 8. So this is octal format. So hexadecimal 100 hexadecimal is equal to 4096 decimal is equal to 8000 octal. So this is how you can convert hexadecimal to octal. So first you have to convert hexadecimal to decimal, then you have to convert decimal to octal, right? I am erasing it. Then how can you do the reverse? Reverse means, how can you make suppose binary to hexadecimal? How to convert binary to hexadecimal? So first we have to do binary to decimal, then decimal to hexadecimal. Binary to decimal, right? First we will see binary. For example, we have taken an example of binary system 1001. Suppose this is in binary, then what will be in decimal? Either, right? No. So first we have to convert binary to decimal. So this will be 1 into 2 to the power cube plus 0 into 2 to the power square plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. That will be 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, that will be 9. So 9 will be the answer. That is 9 base will be around octal. Okay, now how to convert? Sorry, this is decimal, and how to convert this decimal number into hexadecimal? So 9 decimal is equal to how much? Hexadecimal, right? Converting decimal to hexadecimal. So how to convert hexadecimal to hexadecimal? Okay, we have to take some bigger example here actually. Otherwise, you have to divide 9 by 16 like this, decimal to hexadecimal. Here it will be 0. So we have to convert. We have to take the example of another number, big size number. So basically, you have to understand that this is the format. Whatever you convert, first you have to convert from. First you have to bring into decimal format, right? Then you will convert into hexadecimal format. Or similarly, if there is a question regarding octal to hexadecimal, then what you have to do? Then octal to binary, then binary to hexadecimal. Right. First, always convert into the decimal system. First, always convert into decimal system. Then convert into the required form. So by this, you can solve any questions related to your number system. I hope you understand perfectly, and this is where our computers, our science and technology lectures end. And I will, in next video, will make some question discussions that would have, especially first I will discuss the previous year questions of uh, various competitive examinations, that is PCS examinations or similar objective questions, especially the previous year questions. Then I will discuss the UPSC previous year questions related to science and technology. So here the conventional parts getting completed here. In next class, in next classes we will discuss the objective questions that are based on, especially that are asked in the previous year questions in various competitive exams related to science and technology. Right? Okay. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Vanik IAS. Thank you.